Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Better Sleep function, so listen to soundscapes on the period calendar application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First open the application on your phone and then type in your password. After that, tap on the self-care option down below, which is the fourth option. Now at the top you can see that there are three main categories: discover symptoms and better sleep. Tap on better sleep, and in the first section you can see that there are 4 soundscapes available, so tap on the relevant one that you want to play. Tap on the play button and then you will be able to hear it, so it will help you to fall asleep. If you tap on this clock icon next to the play button, you can select the timer, so the sounds will smoothly fade out when the time ends. So you can try out the new ones as well. As you can see, there are options that are only available to premium users only. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.